Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to add link and websites on your Facebook profile. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log into your Facebook, after which you click on what? Edit. After that, you scroll down and you click on add link. Once you're there, you simply choose the social media link that you want to add. So I'll begin with YouTube. So I'll put my YouTube name, select saving. After that, I'm going to add my Instagram account. So I'm going to add it. After that, I'm going to add my TikTok account. So guys, you can add as many accounts as possible. These are the various accounts that you can add. So I'm going to add Snapchat. After that, I'll simply click on what I want to add my website. So I'll need to insert my website. But if you don't have a website, you can actually leave it in that manner. So that's my website. Once I'm done with all of that, I click on what save. So after that, I'll go back to my profile, and these are the various links we are just adding. So thank you guys for watching.